This is the intro to Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So these are the nails that I did with the Model 1's gel polish starter kit. And if you guys didn't see that video, I will be sure to link it down below. But I am going to be doing a design change. So I'm taking off the gel polish. I bought these new drill bits from Poochie's Nails. The first one is the medium grit safety bit that I always use. I needed to get another one. And this one here is her new, I think this is the 5-in-1 drill bit. It's like an extra fine bit. But yeah, this is my old bit. As you can see, it's pretty chewed up. So but yeah, I'm trying out this fine cone bit, and I'm gonna use this to take off my gel polish. So the reason why I wanted to try this out is because it is a new product from Poochie's, and you guys know that I love Poochie's products, especially the top coat. But I also wanted to try out a fine drill bit because I noticed with the medium drill bit that when I take off gel polish, I sometimes take off too much product and the nails get a little bit too thin. So I'm hoping with a finer drill bit, I'm able to take off the gel polish without disturbing the thickness and structure of the nail. So as you guys can see, the gel polish is coming off super easy, and I'm just gonna continue to take that off, and I really like this drill bit. Alright, so these are the products that I'm going to use today, and I always get questions about this dampen dish. I bought this from a lady on Instagram. I will be sure to leave her info down below. I'm not sure if she still has this one in stock, but she do have different colors of the dampen dishes, and they're so pretty. So I'm using acrylics from Glam and Glitz, and this one is from the Blend collection, and this one is called Bare White. It is a beautiful brown color. The next one is a glow powder, and this one is called Wicked Lava. And then I'll be encapsulating everything with a Glam and Glitz clear acrylic. And also using this orange crush glitter that is available on my website, longhairprettynails.com. I'll be sure to link everything that I use down below. Alright, so I'm starting off with that bare white color, and I'm placing that in the middle of my natural nail, and I'm just going to work that down the tip, creating my pointy smile line. And I'm just trying to use the brush to form that pointy tip so I don't have to do too much filing. So this acrylic was a little bit difficult to use. It was a little chalky, and this was my first time using it. But as I go along, it got easier to use. I just had to kind of work with it a little bit wetter than I normally do, and then that kind of allowed me to form it and pat it in place and all that good stuff. So I'm not saying it's bad, it's just a little dry, a little chalky, so I did have to use it a little bit wetter. So I'm just going to repeat the same thing for the middle fingernail, creating that pointy smile line. And we got some thumb action here. I know a lot of people want to see me do my thumbs, and I'm not really sure what's the big deal, but here you go. Alright, so between you and me, I have been having trouble with the reverse application method, and that's basically when you're forming your nail bed first and then you do the tip color. It's just, I don't know, it's like I've been practicing this for years, and I feel like I finally got it. Like, I was really happy and shocked that the smile lines came out so good for this one. Alright, so after all of that is dry, I'm gonna go in with my hand file and just crispen up those little pointy smile lines. Next, I'm going in with the Wicked Lava Glow acrylic, and I'm going to just fill in the tips with this, making sure to make it even. I noticed when I was working with this one, it does kind of marble a bit, so I didn't want to build the whole nail up with this and then have to file into this, because when it marbles, you sometimes get patchiness when you file. So what I'm doing here is just doing a thin, even layer on the tip, and then I'm going to encapsulate with the clear. But I love this color. I love how bright it is. This is just in your face, boom, perfect for summer. Alright, so for the ring and index fingernail, I'm doing some ombre. So I'm doing the orange on the tip, and I'm going to blend in that bare white color into the orange. So now going in with that bare white color, I'm just placing that by the cuticle area and then bringing it down over the orange. Honestly, this was very difficult to blend because this acrylic is so chalky and dry, it just didn't blend well, but it is okay because we're gonna put some glitter over it and we're gonna camouflage it. So I'm going in with the orange crush glitter, and I'm taking a bead of that clear, dipping it into the glitter, and then placing it on the nail and just doing a little swoop across the nail, starting from the cuticle area and working it down to the tip. So after the glitter placement, I'm just going to encapsulate all of the nails. Alright, so this is after all of the acrylic is laid and dry, and I forgot to turn on both of my lights, but I'm just doing my shaping and filing. And this is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed. And woo, look at those smile lines. So now I'm going in with my favorite top coat, which is the Poochie's Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat. And I'm applying that to all of the nails. And before I cure, I'm going in with some cuticle crystals. And these are the emerald crystals, and they're available on my website as well, longcareprettynails.com. Everything will be linked down below. So after I liked the placement of that, I went ahead and did a cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And now I'm applying this nail cakery cuticle oil, which smells so good. And this is the finished look. I really like how these turned out. Those pointy smile lines are everything. Like, this orange is everything. I love this set. And let's not forget the glow, okay? The glow. Oh my God, these look like lava for real.
This is the outro to the Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah.